Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make someone a co-host in a Zoom meeting so they can actually help manage participants and controls. So first, simply start your Zoom meeting as the host. Now from here, you're then going to have to make sure you're signed in with the host account. Then next, click participants at the bottom of the Zoom window. Then simply hover over the name of the person you want to make a co-host. So once you do that, you can then click more and then select make co-host. So if you don't see the option, you can also try checking the Zoom settings online. So simply go to zoom.us, then go to settings, then meeting, and make sure that co-host is enabled. And once assigned, the co-host will then have many host controls such as muting participants, managing breakout rooms, and sharing screens. So this is all going to help you more smoothly. And that's it. So that's how to add a co-host in a Zoom meeting. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.